Hello, Paula here. In this tutorial I will show you how to find the center of a round canvas. What you will need are a round canvas, a ruler, a square, a compass, a chalk pencil or whatever you use to make your guidelines. I'm going to use the chord method as I find that to be the most accurate for big canvases. I will start by drawing 3 chords with the measures that can be easily divided by 2, as I will need to know their exact center. I made a 28, a 32, and a 34 centimeter chord and signed the center of each. With these references, I am going to draw a perpendicular line starting from the middle of the chord and going towards the center of the canvas. I will do this for all 3 chords, and the point where my lines will meet is the exact center of my canvas. You can of course use just 2 chords, but for accuracy and control I always use 3. There you go. Doing my test with the compass and everything looks fine. I found the center of my round canvas. Thank you for watching.